The triple cover stitch is sewn with all 3 needles and 4 threads. This stitch forms 3 parallel rows of the straight stitch on the right side. Ideal for hemming, attaching elastics, decorative stitches, etc. The cover stitch is sewn with 2 needles and 3 threads and forms 2 parallel rows of the straight stitch on the right side. This stitch forms 3 parallel rows of the straight stitch on the right side, ideal for hemming, attaching elastics, decorative stitches, etc. Sewing triple cover stitch. Turn on the power switch. Raise the presser foot lifter and insert a piece of scrap fabric under the foot. Use a piece of scrap fabric at the beginning and the end of the seam. Lower the presser foot lifter. Depress the foot control to start sewing slowly. Stop sewing at the end of the scrap fabric. Insert the work fabric after the scrap, then start sewing on the work fabric. Stop sewing at the end of the work fabric. Raise the needle to its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Raise the presser foot with the presser foot lifter. Pull the needle threads before threading the needle eyes. Pull the needle threads about 10 centimeters or 4 inches forward from the bottom of the foot using the tweezers. Cut the loop of threads with the scissors. Hold the seam tightly and pull the fabric to the rear, then cut the looper thread by the thread cutter. Cut the connecting threads between the work fabric and scrap fabric. Knot the threads together.